On this edition of the Live Report, we begin with these images coming in from inside the BJP legislator meet that is underway right now. Exclusive images that you see on your screens. And is Basavaraj Bommai going to be the next chief minister of the state? Remember, there is a lot of buzz with this name. He's currently the home minister of the state. Now, what possibly could happen? We will have more clarity, I think, in the next few minutes, as right now this meeting is underway, the images of which you see right now on your screens. Republic has also been able to access these images of the Karnataka legislative meeting that is currently underway. We'll also, in fact, try to get in our colleague Sagai reporting more on that story for us. On the dais, you do say B.S. Yedurappa along with Arun Singh and the other key BJP functionaries, Dharmendra Pradhan, also the ministers who have been present there, Kishan Reddy also, in fact, we do see him there on the dais. What we are learning is that B.S. Yedurappa himself has proposed Basavaraj Bommai's name. Now, why really is this story so important? Because again, remember, Karnataka is a key state right now with the BJP. B.S. Yedurappa just announced his resignation yesterday. The BJP top command did tell him to continue as the interim chief minister till a new name is announced. Now, Basavaraj Bommai is from the Lingayat community. He's a close confidant of B.S. Yedurappa and hails from the Janata Parivar. Sagai, more or less, do we have a fair idea of who really will be the new chief minister of the state? What are you learning? Sagai, can you hear us? Not sure if we have that line already through with the Sagai Raj, but we'll try to get him back. And these are exclusive images that you see on your screens of just moments earlier, where B.S. Yedurappa, we are given to understand, himself has proposed the name of Basavaraj Bommai to be the new Karnataka chief minister. Now, he joined the BJP in the year 2008. He's risen in the party ranks since then. He has earlier also held portfolios of water resources. He right now is the home minister. He's an engineer by profession, started his career with the Tata Group, two-time MLC, three-time MLA from Shiggaon in the Haveri district. Sagai, do we have any idea, any confirmation on whether his name now has become official? Is he now the new Karnataka chief minister, Sagai?
See, the meeting is in a closed door. Interim Chief Minister B.S. Yedurappa had proposed the name of Basavaraj Bommai inside the meeting, and it was being supported by former Deputy Chief Minister of Karnataka, Govind Karjol. Everything is visible. B.S. Yedurappa has proposed his loyalist and former Home Minister Basavaraj Bommai as the next Chief Minister of Karnataka. Remember, he is also son of former Chief Minister S.R. Bommai. He hails from Shiggaon constituency in near Hubli, and he's been appointed, and he's also one of the leaders from Lingayat community. You can see now people are entering inside, allowed inside after the meeting. Now there will be an official announcement will be made by the observer inside the meeting which is happening inside Capital Hotel. You can see in the visuals that Interim Chief Minister B.S. Yedurappa had proposed Basavaraj Bommai's name, and it was being supported and backed by former Govind Karjol, and now elected as the next Chief Minister of Karnataka.
Sagai, there is one bit of information that also our colleague Abhishek from New Delhi now is sharing with us, and he tells us that the swearing-in ceremony is expected at about 3:20 p.m. tomorrow. And there is, I think, a confirmation also now coming in that Basavaraj Bommai will be now the new Karnataka Chief Minister, Sagai.
enjoys the support of the MLAs, and most of the MLAs have backed the interim chief minister of the Karnataka.
Not sure if Sagai is able to hear us. Remember, a lot of fracas and commotion, as you can see in those images right now. This is just outside the meeting where you're looking at the BJP legislative meeting that was underway. And I think we are looking at a lot of these supporters, I think, who have gathered there, the police having a hard time to control them. But we'll try to reconnect with our colleague Sagai to get us an official word on that, and also see if we can get Abhishek with us, because we are now learning that the swearing-in ceremony of Basavaraj Bommai as the new Karnataka Chief Minister could happen as early as tomorrow. He is a very close confidant of B.S. Yediyurappa. He himself, in fact, proposed his name, is also what we are learning. He is a strong Lingayat leader too. His name earlier proposed by B.S. Yediyurappa in that meeting. Dharmendra Pradhan, along with G. Kishan Reddy, Arun Singh, all central observers there who flew in from New Delhi to have this larger meeting and to build up a consensus on a name, images of which you see there playing out on the right of your screens right now. We are also learning that the swearing-in ceremony could happen as early as tomorrow now. B.S. Yediyurappa there, we see him on our screens there. And yes, Basavaraj Bommai will be sworn in tomorrow. He now has been named the new Chief Minister of Karnataka. And we have been able, I think, to speak to him also. We are going to be playing out that reaction very, very shortly, as you can see on your screens right now. But let's tell you a little bit more about the new Chief Minister of the state. You see him on the dais there, along with the B.S. Yediyurappa. He has now been named as the new Karnataka Chief Minister. He has been the Home Minister in the Yediyurappa government, was said to be a top contender. You see him there on the dais being felicitated by the central observers that flew in from Delhi. The swearing-in happens tomorrow at 3:20 p.m. He belongs to the Lingayat community, a very close confidant of B.S. Yediyurappa. His father, S.R. Bommai, also served as the Karnataka's Chief Minister. A little bit more about him, who joined the BJP in the year 2008. Since then, he has risen in the party ranks. Earlier, he's also held a lot of important portfolios, including water resources. He has been a 2-time MLC and a 3-time MLA from Shiggaon in the Haveri district. Union Minister Dharmendra Pradhan, G. Kishan Reddy, and senior BJP leaders Arun Singh, Nalin Katil, who have been, remember, sent as central observers to Karnataka earlier, also held this close door meeting before attending this very legislative party meeting in Bangalore now, at the end of which it has been made official that Basavaraj Bommai is going to be sworn in as the new Chief Minister of the state of Karnataka. That swearing in takes place as early as tomorrow. In fact, 3:20 is where we are learning that this swearing in will take place. B.S. Yediyurappa himself has proposed the name of Basavaraj Bommai earlier.